today I'll teach you how to fix your flashlight not working on iPhone. So if you're facing this problem, then whenever you're trying to turn on your flashlight on iPhone, it's not working. Or if you're facing the problem when you turn on your flashlight and the flashlight does turn on but it is really dim, you cannot clearly see it. In that case, let me show you how to fix that issue first. So to open up your flashlight, you need to slide down from the top right corner like this. Once you slide down, you can see the little flashlight icon at the bottom right above my recording button. You can click on it and my flashlight will be on. But what you can do is hold on your flashlight icon. Once you hold on your flashlight icon like this, you can select how much power you want. If you have selected the down one, it's going to be really small. The second one, it's going to be a bit high. The fourth one is like the highest. So if you want a really bright flashlight, just make sure you click on the top button, alright? Now let's say you click on this button but still your flashlight doesn't turn on. In that case, it could also be due to lack of update. So go inside your setting and go on where it says general. And on general, click on software update. And over here, check if there's any update or not for your iPhone. If there's an update, download and install the update and your problem should be fixed. And let's say your phone is up to date or even after updating your problem is not fixed, then what you can do is just turn off your iPhone. By that I mean just switch off your iPhone and turn it on again. Sometimes doing this also fixes your problem. But let's say you switched off your iPhone, turn it on again, it still did not work. In that case, try to check if that flashlight of your iPhone is physically damaged or not. Because if it is physically damaged, then you cannot do anything from inside to fix it. You have to take it to an iPhone repair center and the professional over there will repair it and they'll help you fix your problem. So try to do all the things which I just showed you and your problem should be fixed. And before taking your iPhone to a repair shop, you can also do this. Go inside setting and then go inside where it says general, and over here scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset. Click on erase all content in setting and this should fix the problem. But remember this, if you do this, all of the information which is stored on your iPhone is going to be cleared. Is going to be wiped out. So before you do this, make sure you back up your phone number and all the information, photo and document you want so it won't get erased. But this is the last option if you guys really want to fix the issue and all the solution I told you in front didn't work. So hope you understand on how to fix your flashlight not working on iPhone. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.